Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm so excited for today's video because it's a cleaning video. Today's video is a partnership with LG, so thank you so much to them for sponsoring today's video. I'm going to be talking to you about their awesome new vacuum, and then I'm also going to be giving away 20 vacuums to you guys as well. So 20 vacuums. I'm giving away 20 vacuums. So I'm gonna have all of the details for that giveaway in the description box down below. Be sure to check that out. I am long overdue for a deep clean. My place is a mess. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 5 super easy ways to make your cleaning routine effortless and fun. So as a busy mom, I know that I need to do a clean, but sometimes I have a hard time doing so. So these tips have really helped me to make sure that I'm being efficient with my cleaning and that I'm actually getting it done, but I'm having fun and I'm doing it really quick and really effortlessly as well. And without further ado, let's jump into the cleaning tips. All right, so I have a lot of messes, I have clutter, I have dishes, we're getting organized, we're cleaning today. The first tip I have is to set a timer. If you clean with a timer running, your brain is going to signal to you that you only have a certain amount of time to get these chores done. I love this tip because I am somebody who gets distracted easily. My brain is always going a million different directions, so I may start cleaning in one area and then I'll drop that and start doing something somewhere else, and then I'll drop that and start doing something somewhere else. So if I have a timer set, I really have to make sure that I'm on top of things and I'm getting things done before the timer goes off. This makes me so much more productive and just make sure that I complete my to-do list, especially running on a little time. I have a 14-month-old, I need to go get him from daycare in a couple hours, so I only have a specific amount of time to get things done, and I need to make sure I'm super productive and efficient in that small amount of time. Step number 2 is to use a cordless vacuum. So like I mentioned, today's video is a partnership with LG. Today I'm talking about the A907 Cord Zero stick vacuum. Now this Cord Zero vacuum is amazing. This is the first cordless vacuum I've had, and it is seriously mind-blowing. I love that it has so many different features and that it allows me to really easily clean and access all of the different areas that I want to get to without worried if it's plugged in. Like seriously, this is not the vacuums from back in the day. It has a really long battery life, so you get this vacuum with 2 40-minute batteries, so 80 minutes of cleaning total when they're fully charged. It has portable storage, so you can move it around and plug it and charge it wherever is best for you. One-touch control, a dustbin, an adjustable pole length, so it can be really comfortable for you as you're cleaning. It also has washable cyclones and filters, and then power punch nozzles as well that really help clean deep hidden dust. This is perfect for me cleaning our stairs. We do have carpeted stairs, and I love the fact that I can just take this up with me and use it as I'm going up and down the stairs and not have to worry about dragging a cord with me and not have to worry about like what I'm running over or what I'm getting in the way of. You guys know I love techie gadgets, and this is totally one of those things. I love that I can just plug it in wherever's best for me. I can charge it in the garage or charge it in the living room or move it around and then just like freely clean. It seriously feels so freeing and so good, and I know I'm going to vacuum so much more often. So like I mentioned, I'm going to be doing a giveaway for 20 vacuums, so be sure to check out the description box to find out how you can win one of these yourself as well. Okay, my next tip is to run laundry while you're cleaning. I love to do this because it makes me feel like I'm multitasking, like I'm getting multiple things done at once. You guys know as a busy mom, I am always multitasking all day, every day. I especially love to run towels first. They take up the most space wherever they're spread, so whether they're on the floor, on the bed, or whatnot, they take up the most space, so I'm cleaning up that clutter at the same time, and like I mentioned, I'm doing laundry, so I'm multitasking while also getting the rest of the house done. It's something that can be going while I'm doing other things and not having to worry about it. So definitely a plus. So tip number 4 is to find a rhythm. I've heard so many different things. Some people like to clean room by room and give that as a tip. Some people like to do chore by chore instead and do that as a tip. Regardless, just find what works best for you. Personally, I like to go room by room because if I do chore by chore, I end up just like ticking away at the clutter and the dirt, and I don't actually make moves. So I like to actually pick up the clutter first in the kitchen and do the dishes and then wipe down all the counters and then do a deep clean and then move on to the living room and pick up all the clutter there and then vacuum the floor and then, you know, do whatever I gotta do. But if it works better for you to just pick up all the clutter across the entire house first and then wipe down all the surfaces and then do some deep cleaning, do that too. Either way, find your rhythm. Do what's best for you. Go in with a strategy and stick to it, because if you just kind of pick up a little bit mindlessly here and there, you won't end up getting as much done. So prioritize, strategize, go in with a plan, and then stick to it for the whole cleaning routine for that day. Play happy music. Tip number 5 is to play music. I'm so much more productive when I play music. So I like to put on some music. I put on a happy playlist or some of my favorite artists or some of my favorite songs. If Christian's around, I'll play his dance music so he'll dance with me. But whatever's gonna get me in a good mood and feel really energized and motivated to get these chores and cleaning done. You can also do the same thing with a podcast. If you have a podcast that feels really inspiring or really motivating, play that and listen to that and use that as motivation to continue on with what you're doing. But either way, having some background noise is just super helpful. And background noise besides the TV, because if you're trying to put your shows on and that's your me time, but you're also cleaning, you're not gonna be focused in either areas. So play music or play a podcast, because you'll be able to focus on the cleaning, but also enjoy kind of like the vibe of it and not feel like you're missing out on your shows. And then a bonus tip is to have a reward waiting for you at the end. I like to do this with a glass of wine or a cup of coffee or a sweet treat, dessert. If you know that you get a reward at the end of your cleaning day, you're going to be that much more productive and that much more motivated to get your chores completed, because you got a brownie waiting for you at the end of it, or you've got that glass of wine that you've been waiting for all day. So set a reward. Maybe you get to go shopping when it's over. Maybe you get to run to the mall. Maybe you get to do a Target run all by yourself. Whatever it might be, have a reward waiting for you so that when the day is completed, you can indulge and bask in it and feel so accomplished and so rewarded, because you deserve it. Whew, okay, I am tired. I seriously just did such a deep clean of the whole downstairs. Upstairs is still kind of a mess, so that's a different story. Maybe that will be a different cleaning video, but the whole downstairs is clean. It feels so good. I seriously feel so accomplished when I can do a clean like this, and that vacuum is game changing. I'm in love with it. So again, thank you to LG for partnering with me on this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and you would like to see more cleaning videos from me. And before you go, don't forget to enter the giveaway down in the description box so you can win one of these amazing vacuum cleaners for yourself as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.